Yo, welcome back to AI for the Culture. I'm Neo Harvard, and today we're remixing how you think about AI. No gatekeeping, no jargon, just real talk. So let's kick it off. Why is AI literacy the new must have for every professional? Think about it like this. If your career is the track, AI is the beat maker. You can have the lyrics, the flow, but if you don't know how to ride the beat, you're off rhythm. AI's already shaping your day, whether you notice or not. Maybe it's that smart calendar nudging you or those automated reports that just show up. I remember the first time I plugged AI tools into a compliance audit. Man, it was like building a new rhythm section in a band. Everything just started to groove differently. So here's your first move. Take a minute, look at your workflow, and spot where AI's already in the mix, even if it's invisible. That's your baseline. Now, let's talk about this done with you mindset. I mean, a lot of folks get it twisted. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to ride shotgun. You're still driving. Think of AI as your DJ. You're the MC. The DJ sets the vibe, but you bring the voice, the message. I've seen this play out in healthcare, government, even the creative world. Like when I was working with the Department of Defense, we rolled out an AI adoption framework that broke down silos. Suddenly, teams that never talked were collaborating, remixing ideas. That's the power of done with you. So here's a quick challenge. Pick one thing you do at work and ask, how could AI support, not replace your style? All right, let's get into human in the loop or HITL. This is where you stay in the booth, guiding the session. AI can suggest, predict, even spit out drafts, but you're the one who approves, who brings the context and the ethics. I mean, imagine if the MPC wrote the verse. Nah, you're the artist, not the instrument. I led a compliance project where AI flagged a bunch of findings, but it was my team's judgment, our lived experience, that caught what the algorithm missed. That's the difference. So, next time you get an AI output, pause and ask, what needed your human insight? That's where your value lives. Let's zoom out. How do you build a culture that's not just using AI, but innovating with it? It starts with encouraging experimentation. Don't be afraid to try new tools, remix your workflow, see what sticks. But it's not just about the tech. Keep your team learning, run workshops, bring in different voices. I'm big on cross disciplinary squads. Get your creatives, your analysts, your ops folks all in the same room. That's where the magic happens. And honestly, that's how you keep it ethical too. Diverse minds catch what a single perspective misses. Now, if you want AI to really stick, you got to drive adoption across the squad. Set up mentorships. Let your AI savvy folks guide others through hands on projects. And don't just roll out tools and bounce. Build a feedback loop. Ask your team what's working, what's not, and use that to refine your approach. I love running innovation sprints. Give people space to experiment, then share what works across departments. That's how you build momentum, not just compliance. So, you've got some wins. How do you scale that impact? Start by measuring what matters. Is AI making your team faster, smarter, more engaged? Set up a dedicated AI innovation crew to pilot new tools, track results, and share the playbook. And don't sleep on knowledge sharing. Set up a forum, a Slack channel, whatever, so folks can swap insights and lessons learned. It's like hip hop. Tools change, but the pillars stay. Curiosity, context, critical thinking, creativity. Ask yourself, where in your decision making could AI help you level up? Let's get real about ethics. You need a framework, fairness, transparency, accountability. Run regular audits on your AI tools, check for bias, and bring in a diverse review board. Don't get caught up in shiny object syndrome. Tools will change, but your strategy, your values, that's legacy. And don't forget the meta skills, prompt engineering, ethical red teaming, AI assisted brainstorming. Here's a quick experiment. Try the same prompt in two different AI tools. Compare the outputs and see what you learn. That's how you build real literacy. Looking ahead, AI is about to supercharge creativity. Think generative AI, adaptive learning, all that. The key is to pilot new tech that fits your mission, not just because it's hype. Build a roadmap for integrating these tools, but always keep it human. AI should complement your creativity, not box it in. Stay curious, stay responsible, and keep your eyes on the horizon. Now, let's get tactical. Build your personal AI stack. Maybe you got a tool for writing, another for research, one for meetings. Think of it like a hip hop studio: mic, board, DAW, plugins. Each piece has a role. There's productivity AI, creative AI, analytical AI, automation AI. But don't overstack, integrate with intention. Here's your move. List 3 AI tools, define what they do for you, and see how they fit your workflow. That's your digital arsenal. Last thing, how do you keep the momentum? Set clear key performance indicators or KPIs for your AI projects. Creativity, efficiency, team engagement. Review outcomes regularly, celebrate the breakthroughs, and learn from the misses. Keep your team inspired with workshops, case studies, guest speakers. Make learning a habit. And remember, as we talked about last episode, literacy becomes power when it's shared. Think of it like a cipher. Everyone's got a voice, every voice matters. So here's my challenge: teach one person what done with you means and invite them to join your cipher. That's how we bring AI fluency to the block, the boardroom, and beyond. Stay tuned, keep building, and I'll catch you in the next episode.